Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Start with the name of that name who taught us all the names, the merciful, the mighty, and the omnipotent. Hi everyone, this is me Ali with a new video, and today we are going to discuss about the direct and indirect, a present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so first of all, you have to understand that present perfect continuous will be changed into uh, past perfect continuous. What does it mean? It means that I have been will be changed into had been. Okay, so let's change it, and then you will understand about that how we can change present perfect continuous tense into from direct to indirect. Okay, so this is a direct sentence, and let's change it into indirect. He said, I have been waiting since morning. So we have to change it that he said that he said that he had been waiting. He had been waiting. He had been waiting. He had been waiting since morning. Since morning. So look at that. Have been changed into had been. Okay. So what does it mean? That present perfect continuous tense changed into past perfect continuous. Okay, so have been changed into had been. Okay, look at the other sentence is they said we have been practicing for 2 hours. So we have to change it, and they said that they said that they had been. They say that they had been practicing 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 uh, for 2 hours. Okay, so have been changed into had been. Okay, look at another sentence, and this sentence is she said, I have been reading for an hour. So we have to say she said that she had been reading for an hour. Okay, and look at another sentence. The other sentence is I said I have been working hard. I said I have been working hard. So we have to change that. I said that I had been working hard. Okay, so have been changed into had been. Okay, look at another sentence. She says I have been she says I have been working on a new idea. Okay, so in the previous video I already told you when there is says in a sentence, it is unchangeable. What does it mean? The tense will never be changed. This tense will be remain the same. Okay, so she says so she says, you can say, and you can say she said that she has been working on a new idea. What does it mean? When there is says in a sentence, it is unchangeable. The tense will be remain the same. As I mentioned in the previous video, that when there is custom, and when there is a say in a sentence, when there is custom, discuss about the custom in a sentence, and also a universal fact and truth, it is unchangeable. Okay, so same like that, when there is says in a sentence, so it is unchangeable. What does it mean? The tense will be remain the same. Okay.